The Disney Plus original series Big Shot is back on the court with its second season. John Stamos and his team are back in Big Shot Season 2, which will have its debuts on October 12. Big Shot centers in basketball coach Marvin, whose hot temper got him kicked off his NCAA basketball team. He gets a shot at coaching high school girls and sirens, and Tisha Custodio, a Filipino, is one of them. Tisha Custodio is a 21-year-old American actor, director, writer, producer, and production manager who is best known for appearing in the Disney series Big Shot as Caroline Mouse Smith last year. Tisha is originally from Bacolod City, Philippines. She migrated to the USA at the age of 3 and got settled in California with her family. Her mom, Mitch Custodio, is a graduate of St. John's Institute in high school and University of St. La Salle for her nursing course in college. His dad, Jonathan Custodio, graduated from Colegio de San Agustin, Bacolod. Custodio's interest in acting started at a very young age. Tisha has studied at Orange County School of the Arts. She has also got trained from Annie Grindlay Studio and Mardi Harbor Studio. Tisha is musically gifted, creates her songs, and is also good at playing some musical instruments like guitar, banjo, and ukulele. Her favorite basketball player is Kobe Bryant. Along with acting, she does story writing and producing. She produced her first video About Last Summer in 2017. Some films in which she has acted as lead are Paper Planes, Lock Your Doors PSA, About Last Summer, The Little Blind, and Part-Time with Jen McAllister.